Who actually owns ClickUp? You've probably heard of ClickUp. It's that all-in-one productivity tool that promises to replace everything from your to-do list to your project management software. But have you ever wondered who's behind this productivity powerhouse? Who owns ClickUp? Let's dive in. Now, you might think this is a simple question with a straightforward answer. But trust me, it's not as cut and dry as you'd expect. To truly understand who owns ClickUp, we need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. ClickUp isn't just a piece of software. It's a company, and like any successful company, it's built on the backs of many. There are the employees who work tirelessly to develop and improve the product. There are the investors who provide the financial backing. And then there are the founders, the visionaries who had the initial idea and brought it to life. So, who are these people? Let's start with the face of the company, Zeb Evans. He's the CEO and co-founder. He's the one you often see in interviews, conferences, and marketing materials. But is he the sole owner? Well, not exactly. While Zeb is undoubtedly a major player, ClickUp has raised millions in venture capital funding. This means that various venture capital firms have invested in the company in exchange for a stake in its ownership. Venture capital is a complex world. These firms aren't just giving money away out of the goodness of their hearts. They're investing in companies with the expectation of a significant return. This means they have a say in how the company is run and, of course, a share of the profits. So, to answer the question of who owns ClickUp, we have to say, it's a combination of Zeb Evans, the employees, and a group of venture capital firms. It's a complex ownership structure that reflects the modern business landscape. But let's talk about why this matters. Understanding who owns a company can give you insights into its values, its goals, and its future direction. For instance, if a company is owned by a large corporation, you might expect it to prioritize profits over innovation. On the other hand, if a company is owned by its employees, you might expect a stronger focus on employee satisfaction and well-being. In the case of ClickUp, the venture capital backing suggests a focus on growth and profitability. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. It means the company has the resources to invest in new features, expand its market reach, and potentially even acquire other companies. However, it's important to remember that the ultimate goal of a venture capital firm is to make money. This means that there might be pressure to prioritize short-term gains over long-term sustainability. It's a delicate balance that can impact the product and the company culture. So, while we can't give you a definitive answer to the question of who really owns ClickUp, we can give you the tools to understand the complexities of modern business ownership. By looking at the different stakeholders involved, we can start to piece together a picture of the company's priorities and its potential future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.